Well, first of all, I was keen to get involved in the initiative of recognising the unsung heroes in community football and club football, and yeah, I've been proud to be part of it. I've seen firsthand the great work that volunteers do. I've been a part of that when I was younger, playing for Dean's, my local team, for 3 or 4 years, and seeing the manager that I had, Dennis, sacrifice so much, full-time job, but still putting in the hours and putting in the work of organising fixtures, washing kit, organising training sessions and games. Like I say, many people have got full-time jobs, and he was a milkman, and he was on his way home from his rounds, and he spotted my school team playing. So he parked his milk float, come over, watch the game, recognised me and another lad, and asked us to come down the next week. So that's where my journey really with Sunday League football and my local team started. Yeah, I mean, it's great to be involved because every football player who makes it has been part of this process. There were just questions and answers really, and they were asking who the best player is and who's the best trainer is, and a lot of them answers was Ronaldo, and he's someone who these players can look up to because not only is he's got natural ability, but he works hard as well and does everything he can to be the best. Yeah, it's a completely different skill set, from being a player to being a coach, you know, to being talked to and being part of a group, to the actual one who's leading the group and leading the training session and organising training sessions. It's completely different, and I'm learning all over again. I'm enjoying it. It's a challenge. It's can be tough at times, but really enjoyable. So yeah, it's great to come down here and just see the different coaches and the different things that they set up. And like I said, I've been really impressed with the level of technical ability and the drills, and no, it's really good to see.